Hello friends, welcome to Sight Words Part 3. Today we are going to learn some more sight words. First is he. He was hardworking. He is my friend. Next is she. She is smart girl. She is my friend. Next is on. Keep books on the table. Apple is on the table. Next is in. I am in a car. The cat is in the box. Next is so. She is so sweet. I am so happy. Next is do. Do you like chocolate? What can you do? Next is at. She is at shop. I am at school. Next is up. Balloon goes up in the sky. Look up at the sky. Next is we. We are friends. We play together. Next is me. Come to me. Give me a toy. Next is ant. Bob and Rita are playing. I have a cat and dog. Next is here. Here is my bag. Come here, please. Next is they. They are good boys. They are playing outside. Next is this. This is my bag. This is my toy. Next is now. Let's eat now. Let's play together. Wow, kids, great job. See you in the next part of Sight Words. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.